What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Balla back in the building, and today I got something special for my car. Got some new wheels. Today I'm just gonna test fit them and see how they look. So I know I gotta put new tires on. I gotta fix them up. Also the rims, as you remembered, a bit scuffed up, but here the rims are. Got some VOSSENs. Pick them up for a low. Now about to start putting them on the car. Okay, let's see what happens now. You get that fitment right, and you get some spacers. Pull it out.
You gonna drop him? You gonna drop the car?
I didn't need a color change. Well, that's gonna be it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back to you guys with the next video. Peace. Can't have homies rolling around with dirty cars. Graham's gonna be YouTube famous. Gotta go down.